Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove background in your Clipchamp account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to remove a background in your Clipchamp app or your account, you can also access the image background removal feature by clicking on the three dots option in the floating toolbar. Then simply click on the remove background button and you're all set. Your image background will automatically start removing using AI technology. However, you can also choose a video that you want to remove the background from, and once you do this, you need to simply tap on the effects option on the side toolbar. Once you do this, you can simply scroll down below and find the appropriate option to remove the background. It can be rather green screen or any removal of black and white screen and stuff like that. So by following this method, you can simply remove background in Clipchamp. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.